In this video, members, we are going to learn how we can calculate the average in Microsoft Excel. But to start with, first of all, what do you think average is used for? So the use of average, also known as the mean, is to calculate the central tendency or average value of a set of data. It is a statistical measure that provides an indication of a typical or representation value of a group of numbers. It helps in understanding the data set by giving a rough idea of how the data behaves in general. For example, you can use the average to find the average temperature, average sales, average age of group of people in a given set of data. So, for example, I have here these numbers. This number could be like sales of laptop. The sales of laptop A. So this is how laptop A was sold in dollars. Now I'm told to calculate the average of this, of all these sales for A. So I'm going to be calculating the average. So to calculate the average, of course, there are some steps you have to follow. First and foremost, you need to select like the range of cells you want to find the average of. So, and first, I'm going to enter the formula, which is the equal sign first. After that, I will type average, and that is the formula. Then from there, I will now put the range. That is now ranging from C23. I say C23. This is because the first cell of the value is in cell reference of C23. Then I'll use semicolon. Semicolon is the same as the range. Semicolon represent the range. So after putting the semicolon, I go ahead and put the last value, which is the C31. Normally I have to read the column, and then after reaching the last value, you read the row in that value. So it's going to be C23. So I say I mean C31. So after that, go ahead and close the bracket. After closing the bracket, what is next is press enter or click the green check to calculate the what? This is a green check. You can hit on that or you can press enter on the keyboard. So after that, you will be able to see the average of this. For example, maybe we can put other values. An example 2, that's example 1. We can say example 2. Example 2, I have sample number, say 45, this, I have this, I have this. This could be temperature in the month of January. So one to calculate the average temperature in January. So what I'm going to do to get the average, go ahead and put average. Then here I'll say equal sign, then I put average function. I'll open the bracket, then I put the first value, which is E23. I put the semicolon for the range. After that, I will have to enter the last value of the cell reference, which is E30. And I go ahead and say E30. Then I close the bracket. After that, I'll go ahead and hit enter or press enter on the keyboard or press the green sign for enter. Then I'll be able to see the average for all these values. So normally that's how we can calculate the average in Microsoft Excel 2016. I know even in other version, this is the similar way we can create the average. So in the next video, we're going to look at how we can work out with different other functions which are related to statistics, and then see how best we can apply them in our daily life. Thank you guys. Let's catch up in the next video.